Hello everyone, welcome to Foto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clipping a car image in Photoshop. First, we should take the pen tool and a path layer from here and start clipping. We should always focus on the edge of the car. We should be careful so that we won't include background. It will distract the image if we include the background in our clipping. Remember that if we can't see or understand the car is due to either black or white lightning, we should take cars from here and check what's working for us. Glasses are always important for a car image. There might be some important stickers on the glasses that should be included or cut if needed. After finishing clipping, we can select the path layer and load it. Then from the top of Photoshop, press select and then modify. And then feather, you can give feather according to your needs. Press Ctrl and Z to separate a layer from the background and give it a solid color according to your needs. Alright, if you need any car image editing service, you can visit pathfoto.com, or if you have any inquiries for this video, please comment below.